to Release the Craftin. Priscilla here with a little quickie share for you guys today. Some of you guys have been asking about where I am at, and I really appreciate your concern. I haven't been posting videos lately. I have been dealing with my asthma pretty hardcore for the last couple weeks and haven't been well enough to record. So, in this brief moment of lung clarity, I thought I would pop on and share my latest kit with you guys today. I have a new kit called Autumn Witchery, just in time for the official start of autumn and Maven, the autumn equinox, for those of you who are practicing. I thought this would be a fun kit to make, and I had a lot of fun making it. And as usual, when I put a new kit up in my shop, I put all my digital kits on sale. So if you've been saving them and sitting on them, now would be the time to check out, because I don't have a regular cycle for putting up digital kits, so who knows the next time they will be on sale. But I thought it would be fun to show you guys what the actual pages look like, so you can see how they print out, and what they, like a better quality or resolution of them, I guess, because it's hard with the way that Etsy has it. There's a limit to the number of pictures you can post, plus because people try to steal your stuff, you have to like watermark everything, and that kind of like makes it a little hard to see everything. So I thought it'd be nice to jump on real quick and just show you guys what this kit looks like fully printed out. This kit is a special kit. It is going to be what I'm tentatively calling a deluxe kit. It's a little bit bigger than my previous kit. Usually they come with 9 regular pages plus 3 blank pages and then a sheet of journaling cards. This kit comes with an extra 3 blank pages, quote unquote blank, and an extra special feature, a set of tags and an envelope, which I haven't offered in my shop before. So I thought that would also be nice to get a good close-up look on. So like I said, the kit is called Autumn Witchery, and I went for fall witchy kind of vibes. Had a lot of fun with this one. Tried a little, some different stuff. And a couple of these I printed extras of, so bear with me on those. And it was really fun. I wanted to do a traditionally colored autumn sort of kit without going like super bright colors, and keeping it kind of like a little more on the neutral side, and added in some fun like woodland animals. Kept it pretty rustic, and I really love how this kit came out. And there's lots of little spaces to write down like seasonal observations, or, you know, if you're into spellcraft and you want to write down your spells and potions for this time of year, or recipes. I thought that would be fun. I love this little badger with his hat. This is like, this tickled me when I made it, and it's probably one of my favorite pages in this whole kit. I just really love that. And of course, mushrooms had to be had. So I love mushrooms, you guys. I don't know if anyone's noticed. And sweet little bear guy. And of course some fairies. Squirrel. And then that is the last page in the kit. And then this page of tags. And an envelope, which I decorated myself and did all the inking on, so you don't have to worry about inking it. Unless you want to go for like that extra inked up grungy look, which like, no shade, do it up. So as per usual, this will be available in my Etsy store, and if you use one of my kits in your journals, please tag me so that I can see it, because I would love to see what you guys are making. And I also want to start adding them to like my Instagram story highlights, so everybody else can see what you guys are making with my kits. I think that will be really special and fun. If you haven't seen it already, Kim at Serene Bookworks did a guest design team project for me, and I will link her video below, as well as some other videos of people who have used my kits in their books, because it's just so exciting and fun to see. I know that April and Dolly have used it so far, and there's a couple other people, and I'm trying to like curate the list, but it's a little hard if you guys don't tag me, so I can't find it. So please tag me, and I will put my tags and stuff in the description box as well, so that you know what to use, so I can find you guys. And that's going to be it for me today, you guys. I will have a larger project coming up pretty soon, hopefully next week. Fingers crossed. Double crossed, like, I don't know, triple crossed, Spock, whatever it takes to get it up there. I will try to do that, and hopefully my respiratory situation will improve, and I'll be able to put out more videos for you guys. I will tell you guys as a heads up, I will be going down a little bit, just to do some reorganizing at home. So if you don't see anything for a while, don't freak out. I'm just gonna make some more space so that I can do crafting more regularly and with more ease. Some things need to get reorganized so that can happen. So that might be where I go for a little bit if you don't see me then. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. I appreciate your faces. Until next time, bye!